Let's zoom in and do some regular traveling. Oh shit! All right, here we go. So I'm in the United States again, and I want to travel from California to China across the Pacific Ocean west. And you know it's west because the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, and that's the way the sun travels. And you know, because when you do your compass, you know that's going west. So why do the flights fly up north once again and then down south? Why do they do that? Why do they do that? Huh? Why would you do that to get to China instead of just flying across the Pacific Ocean? Flying across it. Huh? Why don't you ask yourself that? Go do some research. The earth is not a globe. Like you said, if you look at when I was walking outside on that flat map, it's a straight line there. Straight line to China. If you go up here, this is a straight line because the map goes like this. It's a flat earth. But this globe, it just tells you right in your face that the earth is not a globe with the way they travel on planes. Because it cannot be done. You cannot travel across the Pacific Ocean all the way without stopping. It's impossible. And they keep showing you this. They keep showing you this place like it's a continent. They keep showing you that this is the ice wall. When I'm outside, it shows you how big this is. But look how they depict it. 11,000 miles around across. It's 11,000 miles. It's a lie. It's not 11,000 miles. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's the bottom. Like, why don't it look like that up here at the top? Straight ice. Why? Oh, okay. Right. The earth tilt. It's all a lie. The earth don't move. It don't tilt. It's not a globe. It's not a sphere. I believe it. Y'all look at these stars. Like, they look at the stars and say, well, the fucking earth is going around these stars, so-called. So that is what gravity is. So that's where gravity comes from. That theory there. Fact. That's a theory where gravity comes from. These stars going around each other, going around the earth, is where the theory comes from gravity. And it has gone over the years for so long to the point is when a piece of paper falls, it's gravity. You jump in the air, it's gravity. The moon, you never see, it goes around the earth, it's gravity. Everything has become gravity from that one lie. Just like the globe. The one lie that the earth is a globe is the reason why you think it's spin. That's the reason why. The reason why you think everything out here is a sphere. Because you don't look up through a telescope. You just look at NASA's images of the spheres. You won't look for yourself. You won't. You'll use shit like this, like Google Earth, and pretend like this is a satellite out here, this far from Earth, satellites out here zooming in on Earth. You see movies when the motherfucker people like Will Smith movie when he didn't want to look up with Gene Hackman because the satellites is over top their head. It called Enemy of the State. Don't look up because the satellites is zooming in on you. It's a fucking lie. No fucking satellites out here zooming in on shit. It's bullshit. Let you be here on the boat. Let you be stuck and stranded out here on the motherfucking boat and see if your fucking phone work. See if your fucking satellite work. Ain't no fucking satellites. Trust me. Trust me. I know. Listen, this is America. The fucking the people who got a call from here to this country, Venezuela, Honduras, fucking Peru, Brazil, all these places, why don't they just call? Why don't they just mail their fucking cell phones here, mail it here, and then buy a new cell phone and call that number? Keep paying that number on them, call that number. Why won't the satellites help you do that? Why do you gotta use a fucking phone card, land-based cables to go here, underwater sea-based cables to get here and communicate? Why can't you just do that? There are no satellites. Cell towers are everywhere. Every like fucking 5-6 blocks, there's a fucking cell tower. Triangulating all frequencies through the air for radio signals, for the fucking walkie-talkie radio signals, for the fucking radio stations, for the television stations, for your fucking GPS. All that's done through radio cell towers. It's not done through no fucking satellite. Any image you got that this high, if it's not a high altitude plane, it's not real. It's not real. Or a high balloon, high air, or helium joint, the balloons, it's not real. There's no fucking people up here. There's no agency up here. They lying to you and they showing you this fake shit. It's all lies. You believe it because you've been taught it your whole life. You cannot break it. You cannot break it. Like the fact that you can go to the news and try to find out what tomorrow's weather. You know the guy standing in front of a fucking green screen. You know it. It's not real. You know it. You know he do not know what tomorrow's weather is going to be. Fact. You know that for a fact. Because you know nobody knows what tomorrow's weather is going to be. You don't even know if the fucking moon is going to come out tomorrow. You don't know if you're going to be on fucking Earth tomorrow to even feel the fucking weather. So you predicting the future, which is false. But you know it. You know it. So you walk out and you listen to this person tell you what tomorrow's weather is. How does he do it? With satellites. That's what you believe. Until you find out that it is the Doppler radar. It is radar. More radio waves used by towers, which is a 28-foot dish on a tower. You just don't get it. And they have maxed out on your fucking imagination. So you believe that shit is real. You believe this shit is spinning before your eyes. These clouds will never move in any live joint. You see how these clouds just stay there? Let me go back. See how these clouds just stay there? How they don't move? How they should be moving? They don't move on live shit. They don't move. Like they paste it. Because this shit is not real. It's all CGI. It's an image. Everything you guys images in your magazines is a fucking image. Shit is not depicted real. Like you all travel. Let's do it what I be doing outside. We travel from the North Pole down. Let's try to spin around. They saying you can do this on Earth. You can circumnavigate from north to south. Let me just get it straight so you'll understand what I'm saying. What north to south is. You can circumnavigate. You can start at here, the bottom of South America, go around all the way to the North Pole, all the way back around in a fucking circle back to South America around Antarctica. That is what you believe. That is the total lie of the globe. That's what you believe. You believe motherfuckers from here is upside down compared to niggas that's up here. That's what you believe. These are things that you believe. Not only, I just want to break it down to the church because today is Sunday. So, hey, there we go. More fucking worship of the sun. Graven images in the church of Christ, of fucking crucifixes. It's graven images. But they don't believe it. They will not believe it. Just like you would not believe this shit is not real. Like they won't believe the Sabbath is not Sunday. They won't believe it. They won't believe it. The average person walks out, look up at these fucking stars and see other Earths. Titan. The movies have reinforced the shit on the fucking theory. So now you look at the stars and then you see images in your own mind. Just imagine if you were never taught it, what you would view the stars as this. Exactly what you see them as. This fucking dot is not a fucking trillion times bigger than this. It's impossible. It's not a trillion times further away than this. It's impossible. This is impossible. The fucking globe. Like I said, we try to find the sun. We could not find the sun out here. We couldn't find the star. It's the sun. You look at these dots. See the red, the blue, the colorful joints, and you call them planets. Hey, that's a planet. That's Mars. That's fucking Neptune. You know what? Neptune is not a rock like we stand on. It's made of gas like this shit. You know, we charge motherfuckers for here on Earth. That's natural gas. We still charge them for it. But the whole fucking so-called planet is made out of that. And the joint is spinning on a vertical axis and shit. Like they make this shit up as they go, and you believe it. You know why? Because they reinforce it. No, even if you don't try to believe it, it's reinforced. No matter what you do, it's reinforced. Like you'll buy fucking you'll go to Google and then see space. Without even clicking, you just see it. Like, what the fuck space got to do with me trying to research some shit on Google? Fuck Google. You look at these motherfucking cartoon shows. They in space. They in space. That's where they at. That's where they want you to be at, in your mind. They got you thinking this shit. It's your mind. Your mind makes it real. Your mind reinforces these fucking lies. You should not be able to see from here to here. You should not be able to see that far. The Earth is a globe. The Earth is a fucking globe that curves. See this curve. You should not be able to see from here, anywhere on Earth, to here, with this fucking globe being this fucking big. Coming up to the Statue of Liberty, you should not be able to see it. Travel to Mount Everest, you should not be able to see it. Like, when you on Mount Everest, fuck it. Fuck it. Let me just fucking go to fucking Mount Everest real quick. Fuck it. Mount Everest. They tell you it. They got the pictures. Here we on top of the fucking mountain. We on top of this mountain. You can see this fucking mountain from miles away. Hundreds of miles away. Impossible on the globe. Impossible. It's impossible to view that.